Good morning. Today we are going to start with simple past tense. First, the rule is subject plus second form of your verb plus object. Just with a red line, I have written, red pen, you can see go, went, gone. First thing to tell you is go is the first form, went is the second form, and gone is the third form of your verb. When the negative rule is subject plus did plus not plus first form of your verb plus object. Remember this thing that with did always which form of verb is going to come? Your first form of your verb. Then interrogative is did plus subject plus first form of verb and your object followed by question mark. I'll make it clear with the help of example. Affirmative, just see the rule. Subject, what is the subject? We. Second form of verb, what is the second form of verb? Went. And your object, that is by car. We went by car. When we turn it into negative, we, now what is the helping verb of simple past tense? Did. All of you write it down in your copy that what is the helping verb of simple past tense? Did. Everybody write it down. Now, second negative will be we did not go by car. Just see what is the first form of verb of went? Go. So, we did not go by car. And interrogative will be did, because interrogative always starts with your helping verb. Did followed by your subject we, first form of verb go, object by car, and at last question mark. Now the next thing, the next tense is past continuous tense. Anything that was continue in past, continuous action was taking place in past is your past continuous tense. Rule is subject plus was were plus first form of your verb ing plus object. Was were means if your subject is singular then was, and if your subject is plural then were. He was, they were. Negative it will be subject plus was were plus not plus first form of your verb plus ing and your object. Interrogative will be, as it is always starting with your helping verb was were plus subject plus first form of your verb ing and your object followed by question mark. It will be very clear with the help of example. You can see he is your subject, singular, so which helping verb? Was. First form of your verb jump added by ing on the bed is your object. Negative, he was not jumping on the bed. Interrogative, starting with helping verb. What is the helping verb? Was. You can see what is the helping verb? Was. Was he jumping on the bed? Now the next tense is past perfect tense. Anything that we had done long back in past, it is called as your past perfect tense. Rule is subject plus had plus third form of your object, verb and your object. Negative it is subject plus had plus not plus third form of your verb and your object. Interrogative it will be, what is the helping verb? Had followed by your subject, third form of your verb and your object. It will be clear with the help of example. You, just see subject you, had, third form of your verb make, made, carrot soup that day. Negative of this will be you had not made carrot soup that day. And when we change this into interrogative, it will begin with your helping verb. What is your helping verb? Had. Had you made carrot soup that day? Question mark. The last tense that we are going to start with is present perfect continuous tense. In this tense, we talk of an action that started in the past and continued up until another time in the past. Means we do not know when it ended. You can see in the example that we know he began, but when he ended, we do not know. So the rule of this is subject plus had plus been plus first form of verb plus ing, object, since, for, and your time. This I have made very much clear where to use since and where to use for. Since we use with the exact point of time and for we use for period of time. One more thing is this: had is your main helping verb and been is your additional helping verb. Had is your main helping verb, been is your additional helping verb. Negative, not will always come after your main helping verb. You can see had is your main helping verb, then not. So subject plus had plus not plus been plus first form of verb ing, object, since and for plus time. Interrogative, the rule is had plus subject followed by additional helping verb. What is your additional helping verb? Been plus first form of verb ing plus object, since and for plus time. It will be very much clear to you with the help of example. Karan is your subject. After Karan, your main helping verb had followed by additional helping verb been plus first form of verb plus ing. Work is your first form, ing, working. In the garden is your object. 5 hours means period of time. So what will come before this? For 5 hours. Now negative of this will be Karan had not been working in the garden for 5 hours. Interrogative, begin with your helping verb. What is your main helping verb? Had. Subject Karan. Then additional helping verb been, working in the garden for 5 hours. Hope you have understood it well. I will give you exercises and you have to solve them. Thank you so much.